Hello, my name is Carolina Carvajal and I am uh, nine, 19 years old and I am a student of system engineer and I am on second semester. I am a skater. I am I like exercise. I like listen to music and writing. I dislike um, I dislike beans and paint and drawing. Yeah, I dislike. Um, in my last travel, I traveled for Ibagué to Lima for compete with my mom. I I arrived on Monday and we were a week and I didn't travel around the city. I am competed for every day and on morning and afternoon. I no, yeah, so much. Hello, my name is Carolina Carvajal. I am 19 years old. I am a student of system engineer and a skater. I live with Bogota with my mom and my dad and my brother. Uh, I I am from Bogota. I like listen to music and reading. I dislike painting and writing. Um, in my last trip, I traveled with Ibagué for a compete with my mom. Eh, I we are uh, one weekend and I compete every day with the morning and afternoon. I did travel for around the city for compete and I was a fun trip. In my future, the next week, I am going out to skate. The next year, I am travel for United States for a compete. And this week, I am going to bike in my house. This so my plan of future. Thanks.